Do you love exploring the wilderness, feeling the fresh air, and making unforgettable moments with your friends and family? Camping is a great way to enjoy all these things, but it doesn't have to be boring or uncomfortable. There are some amazing camping gear and gadgets that can make your outdoor adventure more fun, convenient, and safe. Ever found yourself juggling utensils by the campfire, wishing for a simpler solution? Enter the Hikenture 4-in-1 camping utensil. This nifty gadget combines a fork, spoon, knife, and bottle opener into one compact tool, making mealtime a breeze. Crafted from durable stainless steel with an aluminum handle, it's both sturdy and rust-resistant. Weighing in at just 5 ounces, it won't weigh down your pack, and it even comes with a handy nylon pouch for easy carrying. You can separate the fork and knife, allowing you to use them simultaneously. No more flimsy plastic cutlery. Whether you're backpacking, hiking, or just enjoying a picnic, this utensil has got you covered. Plus, it's available in colors like army green, blue, red, and black to match your gear. Say goodbye to messy camp meals and hello to convenience with a Hikenture 4-in-1 camping utensil. Ever been out in the wild and wished for a bit of privacy? The Wolfwise pop-up privacy shower tent has got your back. This tent pops up in seconds, no assembly required, giving you an instant private space for showering, changing, or answering nature's call. It's made from anti-tear 190T polyester, so it's durable and water repellent, keeping you dry even if the weather turns. The UPF 30+ rating means you're protected from the sun, and the mesh top and zippered window provide great ventilation, preventing it from becoming a sauna inside. At 47.2 inches long, 47.2 inches wide, and 74.8 inches high, it's spacious enough to move around comfortably. Plus, it folds down to a compact size and comes with a carrying bag, making it easy to throw in with your camping gear. Picture that you're sitting by the campfire. The night is perfect, but the mosquitoes are out in full force. That's when you whip out the Thermacell MR300 and take back your evening. This compact, lightweight mosquito repeller creates a 15-foot zone of protection, keeping those buzzing nuisances far away without any messy sprays or smoky coils. It's super easy to use. Just insert the fuel cartridge, slide in a repellent mat, and turn it on. Within minutes, you'll notice the mosquitoes disappear like magic. The MR300 is scent-free, so it won't mess with the smell of your campfire or dinner. Each mat lasts up to 4 hours, and with replaceable cartridges and mats, it's ready for as many outdoor adventures as you are. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just enjoying your backyard, this thing is a beast. Lightweight, portable, and effective, the Thermacell MR300 ensures you can relax and enjoy the great outdoors without the bites. You know those trips where keeping your food and drinks cold feels like a constant battle? That's where the Dometic Patrol 35 Slate comes in. This beast of a cooler is built tough, with a thick rotomolded edge that keeps ice frozen for days, even in scorching temperatures. You can load it up with up to 28 liters of things, which is perfect for a long weekend, camping, tailgating, or even a day at the beach. What really stands out is how thoughtful the design is. The single latch system is super easy to open, even one-handed, and the seals are airtight, so no cold air sneaks out. Plus, there's a nifty integrated drain, making cleanup quick and painless. The Patrol 35 also has rubberized feet to keep it steady, whether it's in the back of your truck or on uneven terrain at the campsite. It's not just functional, it looks slick too, with a rugged slate finish. This cooler isn't just another box for ice. It's a reliable partner for your outdoor adventures. Craving a proper hot meal after a long day of adventuring? That's where the Jetboil Genesis Camp Stove comes in clutch. This compact 2-burner powerhouse folds up like a book and fits neatly into its carry bag, making it super easy to pack. Don't let its portable size fool you. It's a full-featured camp stove that can whip up everything from boiling water to gourmet meals. With 10,000 BTUs per burner, it heats up fast and delivers consistent performance, even in coldy or windy conditions. It's compatible with the standard 16.4-ounce propane bottle, and the included 5-liter pot and 10-inch frying pan are designed to nest inside for easy storage. Whether you're cooking for 2 or a group, The Jetboil Genesis takes campsite cooking to a whole new level. It's easy to clean, built to last, and turns meal prep into part of the adventure. So imagine rolling up to the campsite with a tent that not only has room for your whole crew, but also feels like you've got a mini cabin in the wilderness. That's the North Face Wawona 6 tent. This 6-person tent is an absolute unit for family trips or camping with friends. Seriously, it's like a mansion out there, with nearly 87 square feet of floor area and a huge vestibule for stashing all your gear. Setting it up is surprisingly easy for a tent this size, thanks to its color-coded poles and simple design. It's built tough, with a waterproof rainfly and durable materials that can handle a variety of weather conditions. Whether you're tackling a weekend in the backcountry or just hanging at a local campsite, the Wawona 6 makes it feel like home. Spacious, sturdy, and seriously comfortable, this tent is your ticket to camping in style. Picture that you're heading out for a weekend adventure, and you need a backpack that can do it all without weighing you down. Enter the Wanaka Adapt, a packable modular day pack that's as versatile as your plans. You've got a 24-liter main pack that's lightweight and water-resistant, perfect for day hikes or exploring the city. It also includes a removable sling pack and a compact travel case, so you're ready for anything from quick side trips to organized packing. The modular design is genius. Zip off the sling to carry your essentials or attach it to the main pack for extra capacity. The Adapt is packed with features like lockable zippers, hidden pockets, and padded straps. And when you're not using it, the whole thing packs down small enough to fit in your luggage, making it an awesome travel companion. Whether you're hiking the trail or just exploring your neighborhood, the Wanaka Adapt has you covered. Imagine you're setting up camp after a long day on the trail and you need a sleeping pad that's seriously comfy. That's where the Nemo Switchback comes in. This sleeping pad is designed with an accordion-style fold, making it super easy to pack and deploy. At just 14.5 ounces, it barely adds weight to your pack, but offers an impressive level of comfort. The Switchback uses a dual-density foam with a heat-reflective film to keep you warm and cushioned, even on uneven ground. Its hexagonal nodes aren't just there for looks. They maximize comfort and packability, giving you 1 inch of plush support while keeping the folded size compact. What's great is how rugged this pad is. You don't have to worry about punctures or leaks like with inflatable pads. Whether you're a backpacking pro or just need a reliable sleeping pad for weekend trips, the Nemo Switchback is a no-brainer for your gear lineup. You're at the campsite, craving that perfect mix of warmth and outdoor grilling. The Pyro Campfire and Grill Portable Fire Pit is what you're looking for. It's made of durable stainless steel, so it's built to handle the heat, literally. The design is sleek and portable, folding flat for easy transport, which is perfect for when you're packing light but still want all the perks of a campfire. What really stands out is the grill attachment. You can go from roasting marshmallows to grilling up steaks in no time. The adjustable height makes cooking a breeze, whether you're slow cooking or just searing something quick. Plus, the ventilated sides ensure smokeless, efficient burn, which means less smoke in your face and more time enjoying the flames. Whether you're out in the wilderness or just having a backyard hangout, the Pyro Campfire and Grill is a solid companion for warmth, cooking, and good vibes all around. Ever been out in the wild and wished your cooler could do more than just keep things cold? Meet Foam, the next generation portable cooler that's redefining outdoor adventures. This isn't your average cooler. It's a multifunctional marvel designed to keep your food and drinks at the perfect temperature for up to 72 hours. But that's not all. The Foam also doubles as a portable speaker, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes by the campfire. Plus, it features built-in LED lighting, making those late-night snack runs easier. With a durable, waterproof design, Foam is built to withstand the elements, ensuring it stays by your side on every adventure. Its compact and lightweight construction make it easy to carry, and the rechargeable battery ensures you're powered up for the long haul. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just hanging out in the backyard, Foam is the ultimate companion for keeping things cool and entertaining. Here we have the Hest sleep system, which is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts who value a good night's sleep. This innovative sleep system combines durability, temperature resilience, and exceptional comfort to ensure that you get the rest you need, even in the great outdoors. With its 7-inch memory foam mattress, the Hest sleep system provides the ultimate comfort and support, allowing you to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The set includes a rollable mattress, a convenient carry case, and a pump for effortless inflation. Whether you are camping, road tripping, or simply enjoying the outdoors, the Hest sleep system is your ticket to luxurious sleep wherever your adventures take you. Say goodbye to restless nights and hello to the ultimate sleeping experience with the Hest sleep system. Meet the Bear Watch Wildlife Deterrent System, a Canadian invention that ensures your safety against bears during camping. Priced at just $241, it offers an electric fence designed specifically for camping. Similar to those used by farmers and beekeepers, it's compact, lightweight, and covers up to 12 by 12 meters. Powering the fence is simple. It connects to a 12-volt battery with crocodile clips, a USB power supply, or 8 AA batteries lasting 43 hours. Rainproof and weighing only 1.3 kilograms, it guarantees protection. As a bonus, a voltage tester is included for free. Next on the list, the Pommeli T-Brick is a revolutionary ultralight titanium spark arrestor that takes camping stoves to a whole new level. Crafted from overall TA1 1mm thickness pure titanium, its robust construction ensures durability and efficiency. The baffle and inner panel of the intake side are carefully engineered with 0.6mm thickness for maximum combustion efficiency. The side panel air intake further optimizes burning performance. Designed for stability and portability, the T-Brick features hollow laser-cut folding stove legs and a non-touch welding structure. The titanium detachable baffle enhances heat output, while a lengthened front door air intake increases airflow by 15%. With thoughtful details like an octagonal glass side panel for observing the burning situation and adjustable dampers for controlling wood burning intensity, this stove is built for convenience and performance. The surface polishing treatment enhances the stove's fatigue resistance, and its folding and panel design make it incredibly portable. What about some heartfelt barbecues? There's nothing quite like the feeling of sitting around a fire and eating delicious food with the people you love. So here's the Me Time Barbecue, your ultimate outdoor cooking companion for camping adventures. This versatile grill integrates various functions such as barbecue, fry, broil, braise, hot pot, simmer, and smoke, offering endless possibilities for delicious campsite meals. Whether you are baking, roasting, grilling, or smoking, the modular design allows you to explore various cooking methods to get creative with your culinary delights. Crafted from food-grade 304 stainless steel, this grill guarantees high temperature resistance, anti-corrosion properties, and easy cleaning. And if you're a solo camper, fret not. The mini version is available, making it even more portable and convenient for your solitary adventures. So that was our list of next-level camping gear and gadgets you should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.